Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video we will solve one problem related to the Laplace transform. So if you are new to the channel, please do like, share and subscribe, and press the bell icon for the latest notification of the video. So let's start this problem. Problem statement says if the Laplace transform of a function f of t is given by s plus 3 divided by s plus 1 into s plus 2, then find f of 0. What would be the value of f of 0? So I would suggest you pause the video at this moment and try to solve this problem by yourself. Whenever you complete, you can continue with the video and verify your answers. So Laplace transform of some function is given. We have to find that function and then put the value 0 in that function, right? So let's start. The given data is Laplace transform of function f of t is equals to s plus 3 divided by s plus 1 s plus 2, and we have to find out f of 0. So if you know the definition of Laplace transform, it says this: Laplace transform of any function, also represented as a phi bar s, is equals to integration of 0 to infinite f of t e raised to minus st dt. So this is the definition of Laplace transform of f of t. Some Laplace transform of some common functions be like this: Laplace transform of e raised to at is equals to 1 upon s minus a. Laplace transform of e raised to minus at is equals to 1 upon s plus a. Similar way, Laplace transform of sin at is equals to a upon s square plus a square, and Laplace transform of cos at is equals to s upon s square plus s square. So these are the some common functions and its Laplace transform. You can find this value using by putting the value of e of t in this function and integrate using this formula. So you will get this s minus a, right? So here we have given this function s plus 3 divided by s plus 1 into s plus 2. So we have to differentiate this term into two parts. So let's differentiate this term into two parts. So s plus 3 divided by s plus 1 s plus 2 is equals to, let's say, one part having denominator s plus 1 and the other part having denominator s plus 2. Now we have to find out the value of a and b in such a way that it will satisfy this condition, and we will get our final functions to which is nothing but our original functions. So if we compare these two functions, s plus 3 is equals to a times s plus 2 plus b times s plus 1. Again, s plus 3 is equals to a plus b into s plus 2a plus b. Now if we compare the coefficient of s over here, so here the coefficient of s is 1 and that would be equal to a plus b, right? So by comparing a plus b equal to 1 and 2a plus b equal to 3. Let's solve these two equations and find the value of a and b. So minus a is equals to minus. So after solving these two equations, we get a is equals to 2 and b is equals to minus 1. Now we can replace this equation by these two terms, right? So s plus 3 divided by s plus 1 into s plus 2 is equals to 2 upon s plus 1 minus 1 upon s plus 2, right? So we can replace this with these two terms. Now let's find out the inverse Laplace transform of this 2. Now if you closely observe this is nothing but 2 is a constant, s plus 1, this is related to this exponential function's Laplace transform, 1 upon s plus a, right? So s plus a, here a is equals to 1. So let's try to find out Laplace transform, inverse Laplace transform of f of t is equals to inverse Laplace transform of 2 upon s plus 1 minus inverse Laplace transform of 1 upon s plus 2. So inverse Laplace transform got cancelled. F of t is equals to Laplace transform, inverse Laplace transform 2 upon s plus 1. So 2 will be common, 2 will be constant, so it will come out e raised to minus a equal to 1, e raised to minus t, minus here a is equals to 2, so e raised to minus 2t. So this will be our function f of t. Now we have to find out the value of f of 0. Let's put 0 into this equation. F of 0, 2 into e raised to 0 minus e raised to 0. So it would be 2 minus 1, e raised to 0, 1. So equal to 1. So f of 0 is equals to 1. So this is our answer. I hope you get the concept of inverse Laplace transform, and whenever this kind of situation arises, you are able to differentiate the combined term into two separate terms, right? So thank you for watching my video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel for such a more content.